Hey kids, Zoom died. Oh, I hate it when people do that. I'm going to hold it this way. Zoom died. I can't get on Zoom, so we're going to do it this way. Today we're on day 9 of Unit 3. We're going to talk about the triangle shirtwaist fire. Shirtwaist is like a women's blouse. It's a weird term for a women's blouse around the year 1900. So we're on page 21. All right, those are muckrakers. Those are goals. Your essential question today, where did worker safety laws come from? Remember, you can pause this video. Where did worker safety laws come from? Okay, skip that, skip that. Okay, this is a video that shows a very tragic event that happened in 1911. Essentially what happened was mostly immigrant women were making women's blouses in this company, the Triangle Shirtwaist. They had a big 10-story building. These girls were on the 9th story. And the bosses thought that workers were taking breaks without authorization, so they locked all the fire escapes. Then the building caught fire, and most of the people in the building died. The ones that didn't burn or die of smoke inhalation jumped to their death. Happened to be on a Saturday, and middle-class New Yorkers were out walking around. That's what people did back then. And they were horrified, and it led to worker safety laws. So that's what today's lesson is about. This is a video. It's fairly disturbing, actually, that dramatizes that. Okay, you're going to set your notes up as Cornell notes. Here they are. You flip this slide. These 6 things go here as the key terms. You explain them here, and then you summarize all of this in 1 to 3 sentences. And if you're astute, I've already summarized it for you, so you can kind of back up and listen to that. All right, you're going to go to a document called Worker Safety, which is attached to today's lesson on Google Classroom. Read that and use it to take notes on this. Okay, and after that, you do a 1-pager for your output. So on your output side, you're going to do something that looks like this. It's a bunch of stuff in one place. You're going to write Triangle Shirtwaist Fire in such a way that the reader notices it. See how it says the outsiders here? Ask 3 questions about the reading and answer them. Write down 2 important quotes from the reading, so you're going to quote me directly. Create 4 visual images which represent what you read. I've included pictures for inspiration. Make a personal statement about what you read. What does it mean to you personally? This should probably have something to do with the fact that if you go to work, your work has to make sure that your work environment is safe. That's not something that happened before. So that's today's lesson. Remember, you can back this up and pause it. I've tried to do it as efficiently as possible. And I will see you tomorrow, and I hope that Zoom works.